Never knew the meaning till I get a feeling. You've got to crawl before